So hello guys, welcome back to Quantity Estimation and Billing Engineers. In today's session, we are going to see how to calculate bar bending schedule for box footings and rectangular raft. So to begin with, step number 1, what we have to do is we have to note down some details from our general drawing, that is cover for all members, development length and hook length. So here is our general detail in which we are provided with plan of footing and section of our footing. So first we will consider an example of a box footing whose naming is done as F29 and depth is given as 1200. No other details are mentioned in this drawing, so we have to refer our footing schedule for the complete details of our raft. So here is the footing schedule. Here we have been provided with footing number. Here is the column size. Here are the column numbers and the type of footing is pad footing. So here are the dimension of our footing. B is equal to 3850, length is equal to 4500, depth is 1200, and these are the diameter and spacing of our bars along bottom and top and side face reinforcement. So first we will consider number of bars for bottom and top reinforcement along B. So this is our plan of footing in which dimensions are shown. This is 4500, which is our L, and this is 3850, which is our B. So we have to calculate number of bars for bottom and top reinforcement along B. So in this way our reinforcement will be placed which is along B. So to calculate the number of bars required, what we have to do is we have to do calculation like 4500 minus 2 into cover divided by spacing plus 1. The length which is taken for the calculation of number of bars is the perpendicular direction in which the bars are placed. So the number of bars will come out as 44.5 numbers. So the total number of bars will be 45 numbers. Now for the top bars, spacing provided is 1200 mm. So the number of bars will be 4500 minus 75 into 2 divided by 200 plus 1. Now the number of bars is 22.75. So it will come out as 23 numbers. Now we will see cutting length for the bottom bars along B. So the dia given for the bottom bars is 16 mm. Now here is the section of our box footing. So this is our bottom bar. So from this drawing what we can say is this vertical length is the depth of footing minus 2 into cover. This length is also depth of footing minus 2 into cover, and this length will be equal to dimension of our footing minus 2 into cover. So here is the sectional details. This 3850 is our B and 1200 is our depth. So the first step what we have seen in our basics of bar bending schedule is we have to split all this element into individual segments. So we will split this as A, this as B, and this as C. So the first segment, our cutting length will be A plus B plus C minus the bend deductions. So the first segment will be A, which is equal to depth minus 2 into cover. Then we will come with B, that is 3850 minus 2 into cover. Then our last segment C, that is 1200 minus 2 into cover. So the cutting length will be 1200 minus 75 into 2 plus 3850 minus 2 into cover plus 1200 minus 2 into cover minus bend deductions. Our dia of bar is of 16 mm. So this is dia of bar. This is bend deduction for 90 degree, and these are the number of bends. For 90 degree we deduct 2 into diameter. So in this way cutting length will come as 5736 mm. Now weight of the steel required is equal to cutting length into number of bars into unit weight. Now keep one thing in mind, that cutting length should be always in meters. So weight of steel required will be 5.736. We have converted this mm into meters. 5.736 into number of bars, that is 45, and unit weight of our 16 mm dia bar, that is 1.58. So weight of steel required will be 304.58 kg. Now we will see cutting length for top bars along B. Again we will refer our section. So we will split this segment as A, B and C. So from here we can see that the length of segment A is 300, the length of segment B is length of our footing minus 2 into cover, and length of segment C is again 300. So how we will split this? First, we will see this A is equal to 300, B is equal to 3850 minus 2 into 75, and C will be equal to 300. So our cutting length will be 300 plus 3850 minus 2 into cover plus 300 minus 2 into 2 into 10. 2 is the number of bend, and this 2 is for the bend deduction, and 10 is our diameter of bar. So cutting length will come as 4260 mm. So again, weight of steel required is cutting length into number of bars into unit weight. Now weight of steel required will be 4.236 into 23 into 0.619. So this will come out as 60.31 kg. Now we will see cutting length for SFR. So this is our plan details of our SFR. So as we can see, we have two SFRs, one in this direction and other in this direction. So we have again divided this into segments. First, this one is A, this green line is A, which is equal to 300. This red line is B, which is equal to 3850 minus 75 into 2, and again this C is equal to 300. So first, along B, cutting length A plus B plus C minus bend deductions. So cutting length will come as 300 plus 3850 minus 2 into 75 plus 300 minus 2 into 2 into 10. So cutting length is 4260. Weight of steel required, cutting length into number of bars into unit weight, and weight of steel required 4.26. This is our cutting length. This 4 into 2 is number of bar. We have two faces, one over here and one over here, and we have 4 number of bars on each face. So 4 into 2 into unit weight of 10 mm dia bar. So the weight of steel required will be 21.10 kg. Similarly, along L, what we have to do is, first we can see this A is equal to 300, this B is equal to 4500 minus 75 into 2, and this C is equal to 300. So again, along L, cutting length is A plus B plus C minus bend deductions. Cutting length is equal to 300 plus 4500 minus 2 into 75 plus 300 minus 2 into 2 into 10. So cutting length will come as 4910 mm, and weight of steel required, cutting length into number of bars into unit weight. Weight of steel will be 4.91 into 4 into 2 into 0.619, and weight will be 24.31 kg. So thanks for watching this video. If you want a video on how to make Excel sheet for raft box footing, please mention in the comment box below. Please subscribe our channel to get latest update on our series of BBS. Do like this video if helpful. Share this with your friends for the benefit of all. Thank you.